In this experiment, you will use the apparatus shown to produce an electric current. First, connect the wire to the light beam galvanometer. Then, switch on the galvanometer and set the reading to 0. Hold the wire still in the magnetic field for a few seconds. Is there any current induced in the wire? Now, move the wire along the magnetic field. Is there any current induced in the wire in this case? Finally, move the wire across the magnetic field. Is there any current induced? Repeat the procedure by moving the wire at a higher speed. How does the experimental result change? Repeat again by winding the wire into a coil with several turns. How does the result change in this case? Finally, repeat the procedure by using a stronger magnet. How does the result change?